Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can enable full session recording in Medal TV. You want to head over to the official application and simply inside, click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, which is going to be this one. Once inside, you then want to navigate through the recording options, and in here, if you navigate through the second one, which is going to be the long recording, you can see a setting called automatically record entire game session. It requires a start and stop long recording hotkey to be enabled. Medal will start a recording when you launch a game. So you want to turn this setting on, and from there, you have the long recording option at the top of your screen. You can just click on it, and then you can edit out the hotkey the way you want to. In my case, I want my shortcut key to be this one. You can simply customize this to whatever you want to. Let's say that you want to add something like a 9 hotkey to start recording your entire game session. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.